Hello my dear students, now I'm moving towards next section of the same chapter, synthetic fibers and plastic. I hope you all are enjoying. So my dear students, in previous video we have studied that what is fibers and how it forms. Let's give a small recall. So here I am giving in a short. So we have discussed there was fabrics. There was fabrics and we got fabrics from fibers. We got fabrics from fibers and we got fibers with the help of polymers. We got fibers with the help of polymers, and polymers form when monomers combined. Monomers combined. So what we'll have revised here, monomers, when small units of monomers combine, it forms polymers, and when polymers combine, it forms fibers, and fibers is a type of fabrics. Means we can identify what fabric of which, what kind of fibers is there in this fabric. Okay, now we can say fibers are made up of polymers, and we have studied that fibers has been arranged in two ways: linear arrangement and cross linked arrangement. Now it forms small monomers in a straight chain, and in this case we can cross linked arrangement like this. So my dear student, now we can write in explanatory form what is fiber. What is fibers? So in general, I am going to recall from basics. We can write the definition of what is fiber. So these are thread-like geometry or thread-like structure like this. We can say these are long threads like structure, and these monomers linked structure are very strong, very flexible, and can be converted or used to make, which is used to make cloths, net, rope, etc. So generally we can say that these are long thread. Like structure which are very strong, are very strong which are very strong, or you can say very flexible, and can be converted and can be converted to make cloths, net, rope, and so on and so on. So these are long thread like structure which are very strong, very flexible, and can be converted to make cloths, net, rope, and so on. Now we are moving towards types of fibers. Types of fibers. So student, we can divide it in two ways or define it in two ways. One is natural fibers, and other is synthetic fibers. जैसा कि हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स, इसी को कहते हैं मैन मेड फाइबर्स, or we can call artificial fibers. जैसा कि नाम से ही समझ में आ रहा है, नेचुरल फाइबर्स. So natural fibers, which one comes from nature? Natural fibers are ones which we get from nature. For example, cotton, jute, linen, silk, wool, so many kinds of things which we get from nature. So natural fibers, let's discuss in a brief explanation. So natural fibers are those that comes from natural resources like plants, animals, etc. So we can say that natural fibers we get from nature directly, and student, they occur in ready to use form, means we can get from nature and we can use that directly, means हम इनको डायरेक्टली यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नो नीड ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग एक्चुअली इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. ऐसे कुछ वेजिटेबल फाइबर्स भी होते हैं. वेजिटेबल फाइबर्स का मतलब जो हमें प्लांट के पार्ट से मिलते हैं. सो नेचुरल फाइबर्स जो हमें प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल से मिलते हैं, और वी कैन से वेजिटेबल फाइबर आर सब कैटेगरी ऑफ नेचुरल फाइबर्स. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग सम एग्जांपल ऑफ नेचुरल फाइबर like cotton. Cotton we get, student, from cotton tree, and wool, student, wool we get from sheep. sheep की जो स्किन होती है वो कवर्ड होती है किससे? वूल से. It includes some other natural fibers, we can say, like protein fibers. Protein fibers, students, like wool and silk. So wool and silk are protein fiber types. साथ ही साथ मैं ये बता दूं, वूल का यूज़ हम लोग किस में करते हैं स्टूडेंट? विंटर सीजन में. एंड सिल्क, यू नो, सिल्क इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होता है, शाइनी होता है, स्मूथ होता है, एंड ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम सिल्क वॉर्म. कहाँ से प्राप्त होता है? सिल्क वॉर्म से मिलता है. सम अदर फाइबर्स लाइक सेल्यूलोज फाइबर, student, cellulose fibers like cotton, and one more, linen. Cotton, you know, we got cotton from cotton tree. And about linen, student, linen fiber is very popular and highly appreciated fiber. It is used for a variety of purpose. And one more thing, student, linen is the oldest fabric used by human. And next, one more, mineral fibers. Mineral fibers. Mineral fibers like asbestos, it does not burn and is used to protect against heat. Okay, so these are some types of natural fibers. Let's move towards synthetic fiber or man-made fiber.